I just found the best way to explain what Notion is and what its capabilities are to businesses who don't have the full picture. So basically, this is taken as a framework from one of Notion official courses, and it starts with phase one, which is everyone gets started from here. Basically, it's the capture phase where we have databases, we have pages, we have meeting notes, and then this is the collection phase. This is where we migrate data from other tools to Notion, or we start creating it from scratch inside trackers and pages inside Notion. Now, once we are done with the capture phase, we can move to the search phase, which is the ability to use Notion AI to search for for information using the personal AI. Meaning you have to prompt it to ask for information like what is the status of project X, what is the status of task one, who's overloaded, stuff like that. And then we have enterprise search, which is basically available after you connect your other enterprise software like Google Drive Workspace or Microsoft Office, stuff like that. Once you connect them to Notion, you're able to extend your search to those other tools, even though they are separate tools, but they are connected. And then we have the MCP as well. Now, once we've done with the capture, and then we are done with the search of information, we are able to retrieve any type of information we want manually. Then we move to the automation part, which is the third level and the highest level that you can achieve in Notion. And this is using things like database automations, custom agents that are autonomous versions of the personal AI. You don't have to prompt the custom agents. They are there in your workspace, like your teammates. They are watching what's happening and taking action based on your programming. And then we have workers, which is the new feature that uses the CLI to create workers that mainly synchronize data from other tools to Notion. And then we have integrations, which are integrating other tools to Notion, or in certain cases, if you need third-party automation tools, that can be considered here as part of the integrations. So this is the full picture of what Notion is for a business. Many businesses are still in the capture phase. Others have reached the search phase, while most of them haven't even reached the automation phase. This is what I notice when I talk to businesses every day. And my mission is to help everyone move from capture to automation in less time than required.